This is a quick video on grout sealing and sealing grout in the Buffalo, New York market, and that includes all of Erie County and the Buffalo metro area. And one of the questions that building owners and managers often ask is, after steam cleaning or deep cleaning ceramic, tile, and grout, hard surfaces that can include porcelain, can we add sealer to the grout? Can we seal the grout? And the answer is yes. A penetrating sealer is absorbed by the pores of the grout. And basically what happens is the sealer fills up the nooks and crannies so that wet stains cannot get below the surface and become a permanent stain. Now, when you seal the grout, that doesn't prevent the grout from ever becoming dirty or soiled looking ever again. What it does is the sealer prevents that soil and that look from becoming permanent. That's the point of a grout sealer. It's still going to become dirty from time to time, but the stains won't become permanent. My name is Shane Dubell, and our company is called Method Clean Solutions, and we service the Buffalo, New York market. You could reach us at methodclean.com, and we provide service. We specialize in commercial carpet, tile, and furniture cleaning.